In this video, we're going to take a look at two different assignment types for Moodle. First thing I'm going to do is click Turn Editing On. And then the two assignment types that I want us to take a look at are upload a single file and offline activity. Let me speak to what these two things are for just a moment. Upload a single file will allow students to do just that, upload one single file. It is just like advanced uploading of files in the way that it will be graded and the way that students will turn in the assignment. The difference is they can only turn in one file. Be aware when you're using this that if for whatever reason you need them to add another file, again for whatever reason, it's not going to let them do it. It's designed to do just one single file. The other activity we're going to take a look at is something called offline activity. An offline activity is kind of strange. It's something that the students will never do anything with Moodle in this particular activity. All it does is give a teacher a placeholder in the gradebook for the assignment. So let's say, for example, you might say, ask your students to go home and watch the presidential debate that night, and then come back in and discuss it. They don't actually turn anything into you. There's no anything written down. There's nothing digital. There's nothing paper or anything like that. It's just you're assuming the students went and watched. Or another example might be to ask the students to bring in something from their home that represents a geometrical shape you might be talking about. Again, in that case, there's nothing to interact with Moodle, but if you're a teacher who is using the gradebook, you would use this to give your students a grade. So let's say you wanted to give them 10 points for just bringing the item in. You could have in Moodle Gradebook a place to do that. Now, since we don't use Moodle Gradebook formally, we're not going to actually cover offline activity. If you want to use this for whatever reason, feel free to play around with it, but it doesn't really fit what we do in the district. I am going to go over upload a single file real quick, just to show you how to do that. So first thing I'm going to do as a teacher is select upload a single file. I'll name the assignment. And again, upload a single file will work with any kind of file type, just like advanced uploading of files would. So in this case, I'm just going to call this U.S. history paper. And I'll just copy and paste the description. And again, just like with the other assignment types, we have start dates and end dates. We have grades. And do you want to allow resubmitting, email alerts, and then you have a maximum upload size. Again, I always suggest to change this to the largest size just to avoid any issues. Okay, I'm going to click Save and Return to Course. Alright. And at this point, you've added the assignment. You have the hand holding a piece of paper icon, just like you do with all the other assignment types. The student, and actually I'm not going to go over what this looks like from a student perspective because it looks exactly like it looks with the advanced uploading of files. So if you want to know what that looks like, please feel free to refer back to that video. But it'd be kind of redundant to do it at this point. So this has been how to add the assignment type, upload a single file, and a brief discussion on offline activity.